In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all trash in Notion at once. If you've been using Notion for a while, chances are your trash is filled with old pages, test databases, and deleted content that you no longer need. While Notion doesn't have a single button that says delete everything instantly, there is a simple and effective way to clear your trash quickly and keep your workspace clean. This is especially useful if you want better organization, faster search results, or just peace of mind knowing old data is completely gone. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Notion tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and go to the page that you want to delete. This can be any page inside your workspace that you no longer need. Once the page is open, look toward the top right corner of the page and click on the three dots menu. This menu contains all the page level options in Notion. From the drop-down, click on Move to Trash. As soon as you do this, the page will be removed from your workspace and sent directly to the trash section. You can repeat this step for any other pages you want to remove. Now, once you've moved all the unnecessary pages to trash, it's time to permanently delete them. On the left sidebar in Notion, scroll down until you see the Trash option. Click on Trash, and this will open a list of all pages that you've recently deleted. Here, you'll be able to see everything currently sitting in your trash. You can click on individual pages if you want to restore them, but if your goal is to clean everything up, this is where you finish the job. Inside the trash view, you can select multiple pages and permanently delete them. Notion will ask for confirmation before removing them completely, so make sure you're confident that you don't need these pages anymore. Once confirmed, those pages will be permanently deleted and removed from your workspace for good. This is the closest and safest way to delete all trash in Notion at once and keep your workspace organized. Keeping your Notion trash empty is a good habit, especially if you manage a lot of projects or shared workspaces. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your Notion trash and cleaned up your workspace. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Notion tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.